Hello guys, my name is Bryan McGlynn with MarineMax in Stuart, Florida. Today we're going to take you guys through a 2006 29 Seavee, an all-time classic from Seavee. Amazing running hull. This specific boat has many upgrades along the way. This is where it's stored at full time, so no bottom paint, white hull side, white interior, many upgrades as of recent. The biggest are fresh engine power in 2021. So we have warranty remaining for a few more years, new electronics in 2021 as well, and fresh upholstery on all the seating. So starting back here, we have a nice spacious cockpit, amazing fishing boat, large fish box here on the aft, and then also another large fish box up in the bow. Twin 300 Mercury V8, 700 hours, warranty remaining. Flat back leaning post with a frigid rigid cooler underneath, tackle storage, gaff storage, T-top up above. Again, new electronics. We have twin Garmin 8612s with a Mercury Vessel View, Simrad, autopilot, ICOM VHF, Fusion audio throughout the boat. New style Mercury binnacles. Rod storage here along the side of the console. We do have a radar and outriggers up above. Going up to the bow, you're greeted with a spacious area. Again, the center box is a oversized fish box with port and starboard side storage off to each side. Anchor locker, lots of rod holders up and down the gunnels. Again, an all-time classic 2006 29 Seavee. Feel free to give me a call directly on my cell, 561-635-6811. Be happy to tell you more about the boat and set up a showing. Again, Bryan McGlynn, MarineMax. Thank you very much.